everyone, and welcome back to Delicious Crafts. It's been snowing so much in the past few weeks. Look at all the snow. So I thought that we could take advantage of it and make an exploding snow volcano. And I'm gonna let you take our secret recipe to make it. And it's so cool. So let's get started. And you don't need to have snow to do this. I know that not everyone has snow right now. So you can do it in sand, on grass even, on concrete. You can even do it inside in your sink or bathtub. Anywhere that works for you, but make sure it's gonna get messy. The ingredients are food coloring, dish detergent, some water, vinegar, cups, baking soda, and a spoon to mix. Place your container in the snow, then make a mountain around it. If you don't have snow in your area, you can just make yours in the sink or on the grass, in sand, anywhere. So we're just going to pile up snow and pack it tightly. Mix in 1 to 2 spoons of dish detergent, and then you want to put some drops of food coloring. So I'll put as many as I want to make the color. And then if it doesn't make the color, then you can add more later on. The next one is going to be blue. And then you want to put 2 to 3 spoonfuls of baking soda. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Then you need maybe just a little bit of water, maybe about a teaspoon, just to help it a little bit. Then I'll mix it all up. I put the vinegar in this kettle just to be safe, and beware, it doesn't smell too good. So we're just gonna mix. It should be kind of a liquidy little paste-ish thing. I got the vinegar in my kettle. Now the last step is to slowly start pouring your vinegar, and then until it bubbles and falls out. Ready? And more, and yay! We're exploding. Whoa, it's exploding. I'll put a little bit more. Whoa, it's exploding out this side. Maybe we can get it to explode out here. Oh, I think it only wants to explode on this side. Look, it's exploding out this side. I hope you enjoyed making this amazing snow volcano, and I hope the explosion was great! Woo!